Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a comment that kind of resonates with an idea that I had maybe a week ago and forgot about it, which tells me that I should always write down any ideas that I get when I want to make videos. And it's about the ARM architecture, the famous Snapdragon X series, the X Elite, and the Copilot+PC, neural processing, kind of putting us, on the edge of the most powerful PCs in the world. And we kind of end up with, something that kind of sounds ordinary. The next big thing is what it was supposed to be that technically, and Microsoft put a lot of emphasis on telling us you need a Copilot+PC computer. Yet, apart from, I've seen, I don't know how many reviews of laptops. I've seen that the latest Surface that Microsoft made is one of the best, but still, I ain't seeing anybody jumping off their chairs and saying, you've got to ditch Intel and AMD, and you've got to come across a PC that has, a Snapdragon X Elite. I haven't seen that. I've seen different types of people commenting that, yeah, they're okay. They're powerful. But we haven't seen all of those, oh, wow, look at what it does. Now, there's one thing that we have to understand here. It's true that maybe part of the wow was recall. And no recall right now. We don't see the wow. Maybe that's the thing. I don't know. Yet, I'm kind of seeing, I'm not seeing that much danger for now. Before the release, I had a few videos of, could this be a new era? Are we going into a new direction? It almost seems like ARM is doomed to always be okay, but never, wow, fantastic. I want one. I can tell you right now, one of the things I would like to test, I would like to have a Snapdragon PC to play with just for the fun of it. Not necessarily purchase it, Maybe I should go to Best Buy and play with one of their PCs for a couple of hours. Yet, if I were to go and buy a new PC in the next months, I'd be buying myself something with either an Intel or an AMD, depending on what I want. Something powerful enough that I know it's capable of being there for years, but probably something that, one of those new Intel or AMDs that could have an NPU with it. But I'm not jumping ahead to any ARM processing. So the question I have for you guys is, if you would buy a PC tomorrow morning, would you stick with Intel AMD, or x64 as we'll call it, or x86? Or would you take a chance and go with one of those Snapdragon X Elite PCs, or maybe one of the new Surface? Question asked. I would stick with Intel and AMD personally. It'll be interesting to see the answers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.